Picture this: the open road, the wind in your hair, the freedom of owning your own car. It's a dream, right? But hold on, are you truly ready for the responsibility? Here are some signs that might suggest otherwise. First, you lack an emergency fund. Cars can break down and repairs can be expensive. Without a safety net, you could be in trouble. Secondly, you're failing the 24/10 rule. If you're paying more than 20% of your income on car costs, or if the loan term is longer than 4 years, or if the down payment is less than 10%, reconsider. Living beyond your means? That's a red flag. A car is a big expense, and if you're already stretching your budget, it might not be the time. Feeling pressured to own a car? That's not a good reason. Car ownership should be about need and affordability, not societal pressure. Dealing with too many expenses already? Adding a car to the mix could tip you into financial instability. If your income is irregular, budgeting for a car might be a challenge. Lastly, facing a huge life transition? Major changes like moving, changing jobs, or starting a family can be financially draining. It might be best to wait until you're settled. So before you take that leap into car ownership, consider these factors. It's not just about the ride, it's about the journey. And sometimes the journey involves waiting for the right moment. Remember, your financial health matters. So take the wheel, subscribe, but only when you're truly ready.